So I've done the fan reversal. So I'll just switch on ignition. I want to confirm. So I'm going to use my system to test it, and you will see even one of the fan is already weak. So let's show you guys. So let me do the low speed fan. I'm going to do it here. Look at it. The fan assembly low speed. As you can see, this one spins faster, this one drags a little. But notwithstanding, it works though. So probably consider changing it. So I see it starts before this one. So let me test the high speed. So this is it. Fan. Oh no. Yes. Fan assembly high speed chopper. Okay. So that's it. So the fan reversal works well now. Okay. So in fact, when you look at the electrical part of the conversion is completed. The only thing remaining is just this reverse light. The one of the bulb is faulty. So I'll probably look at it later. Okay. So one of the we are making arrangement to have this before we move the vehicle. So that's the update for now. So I forgot to mention there's another electrical. It's not actually part of the conversion that we are doing from auto to manual. That one is the AC compressor was bypassed, and it's running. They bypass it, and what is powering it is the blower resistor. So it doesn't work anymore from the factory AC button. So since we reverse the fan, it will no longer work well. So we'll have to reverse it back to factory connection, the compressor, and see what happens. If it doesn't work, then most likely the issue will be from the BSI unit. And we'll figure out how to solve that problem, whether to repair the BSI unit, there's a relay that usually gives problem, or we replace it, the BSI unit completely. But then, this CAN-bus system, 406. So the BSI unit is a little bit more fragile when it comes to that kind of tampering. If you want to go and tamper or replace that relay, it may not go very well. So, but that's like, by the way, this is not like the major part of it, it's just like an addition to the work we are doing. It's not the conversion, not part of the conversion. But we'll see. I'll get it done. Just like did the farm. Even the farm wasn't part of the conversion, but I want the person to be able to enjoy the engine without the fan shouting like hyena. Alright, so you see.